Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to make a dog wiki page using HTML. If you watched the previous tutorial, you can go straight into the content. If this is your first time, you might want to download the HTML template. You'll find the link to the template in the description text below. Alright, let's get going. What I would like to do is, I'm going to make a wiki page for dogs. I'll find a Wikipedia page for dogs. Wikipedia, and I'll use that as an inspiration. Okay. Let's not worry about the sidebar, the images, and any of the fancy layout elements. I'm only looking at the text. So I would like the title text to be dog, and I would like to have a few subheadings like taxonomy, origin, and so on. I clearly do not own Wikipedia, but this is for an educational purpose, so I think they'll be okay with that. Besides, I'm not publishing this website anywhere. Okay, let's keep going. I would like the first subheading to be taxonomy. I'm going to change that. Taxonomy. And for the paragraph, I don't need the whole text. I only need a couple of lines of text. What I'll do is, I'll go up to this full stop. That's essentially one sentence. And paste it like this. Let's save the file. Go back to the browser view. Let's refresh. Okay, looking good. Let's add one more subheading. I will say H2. What's the next entry? Origin. Okay. And paragraph. I'll do the same thing and copy the first sentence. Copy and paste it into the editor. Let's save it and refresh the page. Okay, I'm happy with this. Let's say this is our website. In the next video, I'll introduce you to CSS and change the visual presentation of your website. Now that you have an HTML website, in the next tutorial, I'll show you how to customize the look and feel of your website using CSS. Thank you for watching. I hope this was useful. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, please subscribe to this channel up here. If you'd like to learn Python, you can watch my other tutorials down here. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.